Slack versus Google Workspace, which productivity platform wins? Choosing the right productivity platform can completely change how you collaborate and manage tasks without wasting time on complicated setups. Slack focuses on messaging, while Google Workspace centers on integrated apps. Slack and Google Workspace are two leading productivity platforms designed to improve team collaboration. Slack excels as a real-time communication hub, whereas Google Workspace offers a full suite of productivity tools including email, documents, and cloud storage. Slack is a messaging platform built to streamline team communication through organized channels, direct messages, and integrations with numerous third-party apps. It works by creating dedicated spaces for projects or topics, allowing teams to communicate in real time and share files effortlessly. Slack's strengths lie in its intuitive interface, extensive app ecosystem, and powerful search capabilities that make retrieving past conversations simple. It supports voice and video calls, but is primarily designed for text-based collaboration. However, Slack's limitations include reliance on external apps for document creation and storage, and its free tier has restrictions on message history and integrations. Slack is ideal for teams that prioritize fast, focused communication and want a customizable workspace tailored to messaging and alerts without switching between multiple apps. Google Workspace is a comprehensive productivity suite that combines email, cloud storage, document creation, calendar, and video conferencing in one platform. It works by integrating tools like Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, Drive, and Meet, enabling seamless collaboration on files and projects within the same environment. Its strengths include real-time co-editing, robust security, and easy sharing options across all Google apps. Google Workspace also supports team chat through Google Chat and Spaces, though it is less focused on instant messaging compared to Slack. Limitations include a steeper learning curve for users unfamiliar with Google's ecosystem and fewer customization options for communication workflows. Google Workspace suits organizations seeking an all-in-one solution for communication, file management, and productivity, especially those already invested in Google's cloud services. Slack and Google Workspace serve different collaboration needs. Slack shines in dynamic, message-driven teams requiring quick communication and integration flexibility, making it perfect for creative agencies or tech startups. Google Workspace excels in structured workflows where document collaboration, email, and scheduling are central, ideal for enterprises or education. Slack's limitation is its dependence on external tools for file creation, while Google Workspace's messaging is less immediate but richer in productivity features. Choosing Slack means prioritizing communication speed and customization, whereas Google Workspace offers a unified platform for communication and productivity with deeper document management. The trade-off depends on whether your team values messaging agility or integrated productivity tools. Slack is recommended for teams focused on real-time communication who need a flexible, app-integrated messaging platform to keep conversations organized and efficient. Google Workspace is best for organizations seeking a comprehensive suite that combines communication, document collaboration, and scheduling in one platform. Its seamless integration and productivity features make it the ideal choice for teams needing an all-in-one solution to manage work effectively.